I am going to, when this is all over, I am going to suck H in the face so hard that 10 children will
my god. I already know what he's doing, he can't do it.
Woo! I don't have the most coins, man.
And now,
fucking asshole.
You better get ready to mash the A button.
Let's see how many freaking coins you get.
21! He stole all of his money. You're welcome, Daniel. Sit down.
You fucking motherfucker! Goddamn fucking bullshit, motherfucker! Goddamn that cock, motherfucker! Fucking bullshit! Fuck, motherfucker! Cockdick! Fuck! No comment.
No comment.
No comment, folks.
Live from Pico's house, it's Mike. Uncensored.